Who pays for the utilities in New York City? You or your landlord? Watch this quick video for the answer and subscribe below so you don't miss my other real estate tips. Hi, I'm Phil, the founder of Frele, the free and honest rental marketplace where you could find your next home. This rental tip comes to you as I ride a bike along the West Side Highway. For most New Yorkers, heat and hot water are the two utilities which are included in the rent. Your lease should mention this, but if not, please ask to make sure. Generally speaking, these are the utilities which you have to pay for and sign up for once you move in. The first is cable and internet. And this would be companies like Fios, Time Warner, and RCN. The second is electricity and gas. When you move in, you should sign up with your local gas and electric company, which is usually Con Edison for New York City. The third one is phone. Like many people, New Yorkers mostly use their cell phone, but if you need a landline, you should call your local phone company to have that set up. One exception I want to mention, electrical heating. Be careful. Once in a while, you may run across a building that has electrical heating. In this case, you would be responsible for the cost because it's run off the electricity. Make sure you know before you sign the lease, as it could dramatically increase your monthly costs. For more on this or other New York City apartment tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to Frele.com/learn. And remember, you can always find your next home on Frele.com.